Welcome to all. As decided, we are going to create our final year project report in the LaTeX tool. Today we'll see how to install the required two softwares for our LaTeX tool. Basically, we require first software is LaTeX. Open any browser and search for the LaTeX. The website will be seen. Open that website, click on download. Then as per your operating system, you can download the version there. For my Windows, then this is the file name there, and this is the download link there. You need to click on this download. I already downloaded this software on my machine, that's why I will not click on download here. Once again, this is the basic tool required for the LaTeX. Then as a editor purpose, we are going to install the WinEdit application there. Only you need to open the browser, then search for the WinEdit. The website will be available on your screen. Then click on downloads there, and you can download the current version of the WinEdit. And as my operating system is 64-bit, it is by default it is choosing the 64-bit operating system, and you need to download this. I already downloaded these two applications on my machine. This is basic MikTeX 23.4 and WinEdit 11. Now first, what you need to do, you need to install the basic MikTeX application on your machine there. Double click on the file and start for the installation. Accept the terms and condition, click on next, then okay, by default click on next, next there, and it will be download installed on your machine there. Wait for some time. Yes, now the installation is completed. Click on next, and it is saying that check for any updates available. Yes, we will check it, then close here. Yes, now this software is installed on your machine. You can have here MikTeX console there. You can click on this. Yes, it is saying already it is running. Okay, wait for some minute to open it. Till that we are going to install the WinEdit application there. Double click on the same. Yes, then click on next. Accept the terms and condition. Next, 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 next. Yes, and here file types associate with the text file types with inedit installed. Okay, now there is no need to launch here. We'll launch afterwards, or just to click on launch we need it. Yes, now here the pop-up was available for the make text, that is the 95 updates are available. 1 minute. Yes, here it is saying 95 updates are available. Checking for updates. Yes, now updates are available on my screen. Please click on the update now. Now it will download from the internet and it will install the required packages or any updates available for this make text there. It may require some time, and for the installation of this download installation or for any updation we require the active internet connection. Yes, now the updation is completed. Click on OK there. Now this WinRedit is already opened by us. This WinRedit will be act as a ID there, or it is for only the edition edit purpose there. The basic software we require is what? Make text. Now as I have already shared you one file to you, it is in the zip format I think. Please export that zip file. You will see like this. 1 minute, I will details there. Okay, now several files are available here. You need to find the start file to open your application is this one, final thesis.tex. This is what tex format or text document. We are going to open this file in the WinEdit application to open our project file there, and these all files are required as a supporting for creation of the project report. That's why please do not delete any file from available folder there. You need to keep this folder as it is till completion of your final project report. Okay, now open the WinEdit there. I'm going to copy this address. Keep this folder in any directory. Click on file, then open. Here I'm going to type, paste that address, and here I'm going to select final thesis.tex. Here final thesis.tex. Open that. Okay, now file is opened up. Forget about the everything available on your screen. Just we are only going to try to install the basic software is required. uh, I will explain further what are these contents here and how to modify these contents as per your project report. Now file is opened. Then here if you find a symbol there, PDF TX, or you can see here there are several options are available, but we are going to choose first one, PDF TXC file there. Now click on this file, sorry, this icon there. Then it is going to just as per our programming language, it is going to compile this available code. Here we have used some of the packages like graphics, color. Some of the packages are not installed on your machine, and it may try to install this required package now. Please install the required packages on your machine. It will be for only the first time. Yes, another package. Okay, click on install. Yes, please click on install. There will be several packages required which is not installed during the installation process. Will now it is going to connect to the internet and it will download from the repository there. Only you need to click on the install. Rest of the things will be done by the application there. Yes, now here you can see it is going to compile. Yes, finally one PDF is generated from the given compilation there. Now you can see here. Yes, okay. This PDF is generated means what? We have installed the software correctly, the required packages are available, and my LaTeX tool is ready to create my own project report. Okay. This is the first step while creating LaTeX project report. I'm requesting all students to install or follow these steps to install these two tools on your machine. And final step will be generation of this PDF there. If any error occurred, please contact me. In next session, we'll see how to edit this file as per your own project report. Okay. Till now, we'll finish here. Today, please install these two softwares on your machine. In next session, we'll see how to edit this for your own project report. Thank you.